I have been day trading for 6 years. I've been through every up and down that you could possibly think of as a day trader. But from right now, I'm gonna take $1.9 thousand all the way up to $50,000 in 12 months. Last year, I took $2,000 all the way up to $10,000 and I lost it all. This time around, will I be able to sustain that and keep it going all the way up to 50K? I guess we have to see. And if I don't, I'm quitting trading forever. All right, y'all, what's going on? The account is right here. AMP live. This is a live broker, a futures broker. And then you see the account balance over here, $1,902.75. Bro, I'm going to be taking this account to $50,000, bro. I decided to do this challenge because it started from last year. I took a account from $2,000 all the way to $10,000, but I end up losing it because I started getting in my own way and everything like that. But this time around, it's a new year and everything like that, and that was about like 6-7 months ago that happened. I've learned a whole lot from then, and bro, I'm super ready. I'm more than capable than taking this account from $1.9 thousand all the way to $50,000. So this what this journey is going to be, and I'm going to be documenting this whole journey. Every trade I take, every single trade that I take, win or loss, how I'm feeling, weekly updates, weekly reviews, all of that. Y'all gonna be seeing the whole journey from 1.9 thousand all the way to 50K. So I'm gonna just break down some of the rules that I have for this challenge real quick, briefly. So I typically have a low frequency of trading. I don't trade that often. I trade about 1 to 3 times a week. Ideally about 1 to 2 times a week. I'm going to be going for 6% every trade. I'm going to be going, not 6% every trade. I'm going to be going for 6% a week. But 90% of my trades are going to be a 6% if it comes with no loss. So one trade a week, ideally hit that 6%. I'm going to be done for the week. So the frequency isn't going to be that high, but that's just so I can stay consistent. I'm going to be trading ICT concepts. As you know, if you've seen my channel before, I trade ICT concepts. And yeah, so this about to be lit. This about to be lit, man. So if y'all looking for the journey, bro, y'all gonna be with me. Hope y'all cheering me on. Let me know in the comments if y'all think I would do it. I think I could do it. Alright, so I'm going to be going over some of the trades that I took this week, and then I'm going to be going over what I'm looking forward to this upcoming week, and then I'm just going to talk a little bit about the challenge after that. So we're going to start off with, some of the trades I took this week. This week we did have a profitable week. I think I made about like 13% this week. Something like that, something around there, like 13%. So I took a break-even trade on Monday, or like a small loss trade on Monday, but I forgot what execution that I took, and they're not letting me, they're not bringing up my execution because it's the weekend. I think it's like a glitch or something. So I did take like a small loss on Monday, like 2% loss. I'll show you guys right now. Like they're literally not letting me show my executions for some reason. Like y'all just seen that. But I took this trade on Tuesday. Right here, we had a run on buy side on our chart, and then we had a breakdown on a 1-minute chart. I took a short here. We end up hitting my break even, coming back up here. So I went break even there, and then going into the next macro at 10:45, we inverse this upside fair value gap, and I was looking for this 930 low and this low right here. So I took a short around like right there. Stop loss was above that high, and I took a partial here, and then I also took a partial down here. Not a partial. I took my full take profit down there, and yeah, this was a pretty nice trade. So this trade right here had me up about 10% for the week. So starting out the week, I was up 10%. You know what I'm saying? And Going on with this challenge, if I'm up that much in the week, bro, I'm not trading. I'm done for the week. I'm not trading no more because we're getting this $50,000. You know what I'm saying? So that was the short that I took this week. We had a breakdown. We had inverted this fair value gap, started breaking down. Then we had another inversion fair value gap right here. We traded into it. And then we broke down again. I think this trade is on my channel. You know what I'm saying? So if y'all want to go see that execution, then y'all can go look on my channel because it's definitely up there. And then the next day, it was FOMC week. Oh shit, here go my executions. FOMC week, as you can see, I lost right here. I tried to go long in here. Tried to go long. We didn't want to do that. Price came down, so that was a loss for me. Quick L's too, so it was like there's not really too much to say about this. I wanted to see price go higher because we've been dropping down all night and everything like that. And then I tried to take some trades in FOMC too, took 3 entries and I lost. So I lost about 80% of what I made the first day on Tuesday when I caught that big short. I wasn't even supposed to trade FOMC day because it was core PPI too on in the morning time, and I hate that news driver. Yo, bro, I lose that news driver like all the time. Like, bro, I lose that news driver like 50% of the time, and my dumbass tried to trade it and then just lose. Like, come on, gang. You know what I'm saying? So I lost about 80% of my profits on Wednesday. So that 10% went down the drain. It went down to like 1%, maybe 2%. And then on Wednesday, I caught a banger here. So as you can see, we dropped down, drew the swing at 9:30. We swept the 1 hour sell side lows and was in a 1 hour inefficiency. We started trading higher. We had to shift the market structure here and here. We left the fair value gap. I went long on this candle when we went into the fair value gap. And then once we came above this order block right here, I went long again at this order block, this down candle, this down phase right here. And then I took profits at this candle targeting this high. And that made me about 15% on this one trade. So I made all my money back for the week. And I ended the week off at like 13%. And then Friday. Where's Friday? Friday I didn't trade. I didn't trade on Friday. I just wanted to show y'all that. I did not trade on Friday, so I preserved my capital. That is what we are going to be doing for this challenge. We are going to be hitting the target, preserving the capital week in, week out. This is going to be the most disciplined, the most... Nobody done this, bro. Nobody has done this. Nobody has done this. I don't think nobody has actually recorded themselves going from broke to rich in 12 months and actually show every single trade. Come on. I ain't broke, but... You know what I'm saying? Y'all get it. So, yeah, that's that. Okay, going into the week, I have this range highlighted right here. Boom. So we got this range going into the week. And since we swept this sell side and we're so low in price, ideally, if price wants to continue going lower, they want to run some buy side because as you can see, we've been dropping. And I'm saying like all last week. So if price wants to continue lower, I do want to see buy side ran. So I want to come see price run these highs right here. And then once we get above these highs, we will be inside of a 4 hour inefficiency right here. And then I would like to see price continue lower from here. So I'm looking for price to run above these highs and then reverse. So if we can get a nice buy signal up here sometime during the week, I'll take that. And then once we get above here, we can get some sell side, then I will also take that. So that is what I am looking for the week. Pretty simple. That is how I do my weekly analysis. It's nothing too crazy. It's just simple, straightforward like that. Y'all just seen I did it in about literally 30 seconds. All right, so yeah, let's talk a little bit about this challenge. Right now, we editing the video. You know what I'm saying? We editing the video that I'm about to post right now, but yo, I ain't gonna lie. I'm so ready for this challenge because it's like, I'm that type of person where it's like, well, when I got something like this to like work for, bro, I be going crazy. You know what I'm saying? So But I tell you, I think I'm capable. You know what I'm saying? We gonna do it. And I'm gonna tell y'all a little bit what I got upcoming. You know what I'm saying? So with the challenge and everything like that, that's gonna be new in my life, or something I could be like consistent on, and then just not like randomly posting while actually growing my trading account. So it's like it's a win-win. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be consistently posting YouTube videos, you know what I'm saying, every week with a purpose while growing my trading account. And I also want to start teaching soon, you know what I'm saying, because I have a crazy skill set. You guys are going to witness it now. You know what I'm saying? It's not really in the public because like I don't post all the time, but you guys are going to see everything that I do. Y'all going to see it all. So y'all going to see, you know what I'm saying? So I do want to start mentoring soon, and I do have a free Discord that I'm not really that active in right now, but I'm getting active in it. You know what I'm saying? I'm getting there. You know what I'm saying? We're going to get active in that Discord for sure. So if you're interested in that, and I'm saying, you can go join my Discord if you want like the behind the scenes of this whole series. Now I'm saying it's completely free right now. So now I'm saying no hassle or anything like that. Totally up to you. But yeah, bro, I'm super excited for the journey. You know what I'm saying? It's not really too much going on because it's the weekend and stuff like that. But going into the week, y'all gonna see what we got in plan. Hopefully this week is good. I think this week should be like a good week. You know what I'm saying? It's a good amount of news in the market this week. And it's not like too much news either where it's gonna be like super manipulative or anything like that. So yeah, this week should be good and everything like that. So yeah, bro, this is episode 1 of me going from 1.9 thousand all the way to $50,000. Hopefully, I think this journey is gonna go good. You know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all like this video if y'all enjoyed the video. You know what I'm saying? I know, like, if y'all think I can do it, if y'all got faith in me, let me know in the comments. If you a hater too and you think I'm not gonna be able to do it, let me know in the comments, bro, because it's okay. I'm gonna prove you wrong, bro. I'm gonna prove you wrong. So let me know. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel because y'all do not want to miss this journey, this series. Y'all don't want to miss none of this, bro, because I'm telling you, I'm going from 1.9 all the way to 50,000, and y'all gonna see a whole lifestyle change and all that right in front of y'all eyes. You know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all stay tuned for that. And then yeah, bro, this is a great vid. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. We out.